All right, last time I told you we were going to move everything out to the shed, which I did. I think that was about 2 days ago. So I've got it, actually I got my sprayer mounted on my skid steer so I can work on it waist level. So here's what we ended up with. That's my connection point. And right now, I need to put the last hose on. I figured I'd just kind of wait and do that this time. See if I can get a picture with that. So what I do is I just cut some hose, kind of give it a rough measurement, and I've already got it cut here. It's kind of chilly today, so everything is a little cold, stiff. You gotta remember to put my clamps on first before I do. I mean, you don't have to, but for me it makes it is easier. I mean, so I want to put this one over here. I want to put this. I already broke one of these sprayer tips the other night. Now I go ahead now you can burn the snot out of these. All you want to do is hold your torch a ways away and just warm it up just a hair, and it should go on just like that. Of course, I lost my clamp, so I'll put the clamp back on. I'm going to do same to this side. Now I gave myself a little extra. In fact, I think this one here, we're just going to do like this. Then we can not enough. I just barely touch it with the blue tip, so not a whole lot. Try it again. And there we go. I think the hardware store thought I was nuts when I bought all these clamps, and I said, oh, by the way, you're probably out of clamps, or at least this size. So I saved this one for last. Didn't want to go through all of these getting put on, but this is the one that's going to be by the joint. I was going to try to show you here. And I still got quite a bit to do here. I got to get my drill holes in the edges, put a bolt on the edges with a, what they call those, they have a little loop in them, and then they'll be to carry the chain. So the idea behind this is that I got these wing nuts, big wing nuts, as a matter of fact, and I can pull the bolt out, and then this will be able to fold around just about like that. And the other one will fold around and come across however. Now, I also made it to where I can break the other one loose, and this will actually come around. This will break loose, so this will fold out and it'll actually come across here as in a square. It won't come out here as an angle, but so when I store it, I'm not really concerned about that. Basically, there's one place that I spray my hay field is the gate is about 12 feet. And this is going to be, I think it's 18 feet now. So I'm going to have to be able to bend these in at least to go and refill because they don't have a hydrant on the place. But that's the way it works. So I put enough hose there to where you put it back on there. And hopefully should be able to bolt her back up. Tighten this back down. And there we go. So the next thing would be is I need to drill holes in the sides because I need to put these little things on there. And I'm hoping, haven't decided if I'm going to put them on the very edge or if I'm going to bring them back here just a hair. So I've got to do. So went in and got drill bit. There's one. I don't know if I got the right size of chain for this or not, but we'll find out. See how well it. The idea that I figured use a couple springs. And I would use Problem is, these are trampoline springs. I'm not sure. Yeah, I might be able to get the pull out of it. Kind of figure. Try it this way. Be just like that. But I don't know how far a guy dares. Oh, that would probably be the ticket right there. You know what? That might just do it. Well, I need to hook it to the tractor and see how it did. This is what it looks like folded up. Once I get it on the tractor, I'll show you how we unfold it. I just went ahead and put the chain, looped it here tight so it'll hold it. That should work. I'm gonna move this stuff around and see. I'm gonna hook it up, see what it's like. Well, here's the final preview. Here's the final product. I ran it down the driveway, ran it down the field. Seems to be pretty stable. I'm not sure about the springs, if they add to the bounce. So we may try it with just chain, see where it goes. But the beauty is that now I got to get into my shed